Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well and welcome to my channel Learning Tech. So today in this video I'm going to show you how can we compute variables in SPSS. Okay, so for that just let me open. So computing variables, okay, so this simply means the combination or the process to combine the several existing variables into a single variable. Okay, so for example I have two variables here, right? So I want to add these two or create a new variable adding these 2, 3, 4, 5 as we want. Okay, so computing variable, in SPSS it refers to the computing with the existing variables to create a new variable. These are the existing variables, so I want to create the new variable related to this. Means I want to find the sum of all these 5 variables, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how can I add that, or how can I find out the sum of these all 5 variables? Okay, so for example, I'm just giving an example. So for that, okay, so for that just go to the file menu and click on the transform button here. Then you can see there options compute variable. You can see transform compute variable. Click on compute variable. Okay, then you'll see some interface like this. So in this, okay, we have to give the new variable name. So let me keep as this as sum. Okay, sum. Okay, so I want to find the sum of all these 5 variables. Okay, so how can I do that? Just click on this and click on this button, or simply drag the variable. You can also do that. So I want to add, right? So I've already transported here the first variable, that is toast pop off. Okay, just let me click the plus sign because I want to find the sum. Then second, you can just click on that, or you can just click this, or you can just drag like this. Then again click on plus sign, click on plus sign, then do for the remaining. Okay, okay, so we all have kept here already here. Then just click on OK. Okay, so here the output have already been generated. So you can see another next variable that is named as sum. So this is the sum of all these variables. Okay, these 5 variables, the numeric variables here. Okay, so this is the one way to compute the variables, or to add the different variables into a single form. Similarly, let me give you an next example, that is I want to find out the mean of all these variables, okay, or average of these all variables. So how can I do that? Just repeat the same process, that is go to transfer button, click on that, then click on compute variable. Okay, okay, so you can just see here this is the sum. So let me just reset all this. Then you have to give another new variable name for this. So let me give this as mean. Okay, mean. Then you can just see the function group here. You can just use the function group, or you can just simply use the formula. Okay, so I'm using here the function group. Just click on all. So then just search on this mean. Okay, or simply you can just type mean. This will automatically take you to the alphabet from M. Okay, so I want to find your mean. Just click on that, then do the same thing. Just click the up button here, or simply drag. Okay, so I drag here. So now you can see the function mean, and the question mark here indicates that what variable you want to insert. Okay, okay, so just let me select this. Then just let me replace this with toast pop up. Okay, TP. Okay, so I have here more than one variable. I have here 5 variables, so I am just separating them with the sign comma. Okay, similarly drag the second variable, comma, do same thing for the remaining variable. Okay, I'm separating here with the comma sign. Okay, you can just see here I'm just separating here with comma. Okay, mean then all the variables. Okay, so after that, okay, just click on OK. You need to do nothing, just click on OK. The output will be generated itself. Okay, so now you can see here, okay, sorry, the new variable just formed here. Okay, for now just leave as it is. So we created the next variable, that is mean. Okay, first we found out the sum and we computed the mean. Okay, so now this is the mean of all these 5 variables. Okay, and this is the mean of all these 5 variables. Okay, so this is the way that we can compute the variables, okay, in SPSS. Okay, so not only this much, you can use many other formulas here. You can just see here function group, you can just see here arithmetic mean, and you can just see here the different types of functions related to computing. Okay, 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 so hopefully I think you all love the video. So if the video was really advantageous for you all, please like the video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this in coming days. Till then, take care. Thank you.